Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some great ways that you can make money on the weekends. Now, this is going to be a video for you if maybe you have kids at home during the day, during the week, this summer. Maybe you have a day job that you're perfectly happy with, but you're looking for some extra side money there that you can put towards a down payment or make some extra mortgage payments or just pad your savings account. Today's video is going to be for you. And make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out how you can learn more about the opportunities that we're talking about today, in addition to some other great online jobs. Now, many of the opportunities we're going to be talking about today are not going to be online. These are going to be opportunities that you can go out and do in your own community, but allow for a really flexible schedule and some great earning potential as well. Now, these are all jobs that usually don't require much of a scheduling commitment and will allow you to really pick them up and put them down as you see fit. Now, the first one we're going to be talking about is driving for Uber. This can be a great side gig, and it's something that a lot of people really enjoy. If you love meeting new people and learning about their experiences and their lives, this can be a great job for you to earn a little extra money on the side. Now, if you happen to be a person that maybe isn't so comfortable with allowing strangers into your vehicle alone, that's okay too. Uber has a great new program called UBEREATS that is strictly delivering food from your local restaurants to people, so you're not having to allow anyone to get into your vehicle. You can also check out some other opportunities like DOORDASH or Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is a newer one we've seen from Amazon that's delivering Amazon packages. Those are some great opportunities to earn some extra money on a flexible schedule. Now, if you're looking for a side gig that's more on the fun side and a little more exciting, you should really look into becoming event staff. Now, if you live in a larger city, there are going to be a lot of these gigs available. You can usually find them on Craigslist under the gigs section, and these are going to be some things like being event staff at local concerts or festivals, maybe working, the next baseball tournament that's in your town. You'll also see some opportunities to become a brand ambassador, in which you're working a local event or festival, supporting a brand in your town and introducing people to their latest products or services. And these gigs can pay really well. And it's an opportunity that maybe you're only working one day at a time. You can just pick it up and as you see fit or as you need the extra cash, work a few hours and be done with it. These can be some great opportunities, and you can quickly make a little bit of extra money over the summer. Now, as we are getting ready to enter the summer months, another great opportunity that's going to be in demand is pet sitting and pet walking. A lot of different sites are popping up, such as ROVER.com and WAG, that are going to allow people, walkers and sitters, to connect with those pet owners that are in need of their services. Now, if you live in even a smaller community, can support these walking positions. But a lot of these are going to come up over the summer as people are heading out of town to go camping for the weekend. Maybe they're taking, a couple day trip just to get out of town, and they need somebody on short notice to take care of their animals. This can be a great way for you to make some extra money and to also network and get to know some other people in your community that may have even more gigs available. Now, if you're looking for something a little more laid back and aren't really looking to make any big bucks this summer, you can check out some of the great apps that are available on your smartphone. We see ones like GIGWALK and Field Agent that kind of provide gigs more on the mystery shopping side of things, or quality assurance side of things, where you're going out to a store and you're checking on maybe a display or checking to see how an item is priced, or maybe even providing some feedback on your experience there. Now, with summer coming up, it's also a great opportunity to take advantage of the good weather to clean out your own house and get rid of some items by selling them at, say, a garage sale or online. You can also take advantage of the other garage sales that are going on in town to pick up some great items for you to flip. You can flip these in local Facebook groups. Maybe you can fix them up and sell them online. There are a lot of great opportunities to kind of flip items for a profit that you can get on the cheap. Now, this is not a good idea if you know yourself to be a little bit of a hoarder, because you're probably going to want to keep a lot of those items for yourself. But if you have no emotional attachment to the items that you buy and can quickly sell them for a profit, it's a great way to take advantage of the seasonal weather and take advantage of those seasonal sales. Now, those are just a few ways for you to make some extra money this summer on the weekends. I'm going to leave you a link in the description below that's going to tell you more about the opportunities that we talked about in this video, along with listing out several other great opportunities that you may want to consider. I'm also going to leave you a link to a post that's going to list, I think it's 17 different apps on your phone that will pay you extra money. So this can be a great opportunity to kind of take advantage of those little few minutes of time here and there, whether it's on the weekend or during the weekdays, to earn a little extra money right from your smartphone. Now, if you liked today's video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed so you will get notification of my next video. Until then, I wish you best of luck in your money-making endeavors.